One of the common questions I get during my lives is, what is sleep paralysis and what can I do about it? Sleep paralysis is when you wake up in the middle of the night or something like that, or from a nap, and you just can't move and you feel terrified. And often it's accompanied with the feeling that there's some sort of a negative presence in the room. And it's just so scary because you can't scream, you can barely breathe, you can't move. But it happened to me a few months back, and when it did, I thought to myself, there's got to be a reason this is happening. I was laying in bed, I had just woken up, and I was half asleep, and I could feel something uncomfortable in the room, and I was really scared. But I couldn't yell, I couldn't talk, I couldn't breathe, and I just kind of laid there feeling frozen. And then I thought, wait a minute, I'm disconnected. What I realized is it's a protective measure that our higher self or our spirit guides have put for us in case there is an opportunity for a negative spirit to get into you while you're trying to sleep. It's protective. It makes that energy think that you're not there. Okay? So it sort of disconnects you a little bit from your body. That's why you cannot physically move your body, because you're not in your body at that moment. It's kind of a cool thing. I kind of liken it a little bit to astral projection. So the next time something like that happens to you, don't panic. Tell yourself, great, I'm being protected by my spirit guides, and just lean into it. You're gonna be okay. All right, but if you fight it, what happens is you drop back down into your body, and that energy knows that you're struggling and scared, and it just gets more attracted to you, almost like a thrashing in the water, would attract a shark. It sees that. Now, I will tell you, I 100% doubt anything will actually happen to you. You might have a scary experience if you fought it, so to speak, but I wouldn't say that, something bad's going to happen to you. You're always in control, and I want you to understand that. And that's why it's so important for you to trust your guides will protect and watch out for you. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to jump into one of my lives, and I will give you more explanation. Have a wonderful day.